Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay nga YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglebag-lebag na tao with evidence na ko, bolilyaso. Ipakukulong ni Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte ang mga senador, congressman at si BBM dahil sa anomalya sa 2025 budget. Nakita na may maraming blanco. Nako, blanco mga kabibig ha. So it means hocus-pocus ang nangyari sa 2025 budget. Naku, buti na lang meron tayong isang Digong Duterte na tiningnan kung ano ang laman ng budget at doon nakita kung gaano nabuwis talaga ako, fill in the blanks pala ang budget sa 2025. Sabi ni Digong, something is terribly wrong. Those senators and congressmen signed in this blank document should be held accountable and jailed for a lifetime. This is a clear betrayal of trust. Totoo, may ebidensya na betrayal of trust kumpara kay VP Sara. Diba? Nako, ino na. Consummated crime ang ginawa ng mga senador na pumirma ha, mga kongresistang pumirma, consummated crime. At akala nila ay hindi yan mabubusisi ni Pangulong Duterte. Kaya kakabi nag-live si Pangulong Duterte at in-explain sa sambayanang Pilipino kung anong klaseng hokus-pokus pangbubudol ng Marcos administration. Naku po, managot kayo sa sambayanang Pilipino. Ganito pala kayo mangbudol sa amin, no? Tapos, ang konsuelo ninyo ay siraan si mga Duterte. Ngayon, lumabas na talaga na gusto yung i-impeach si BP Sara para matabunan yung mga ginagawa yung kabalastugan sa 2025 budget. Inatake nyo si BP Sara at ang mga Duterte para ang mga tao ay hindi makafocus sa 2025 budget. Ito na ngayon, lumabas na. Paano ninyo sasagutin ang sambayanang Pilipino? Huwag nyo nang sagutin si Digong. Sagutin nyo ang sambayanang Pilipino at paano nyo i-explain kung bakit blanco. Tapos sabihin nyo, ay mali si Digong, mali. Previous president yan. Noon nga, nag-veto si Digong kasi hindi nagustuhan ang budget, kasi may mga insertions, may mga halo kay OB ang ginawa. Ngayon, anong ginawa ng BBM? Di ba mga ilang araw kayong inistadihan mo ang budget, tapos December 30 nagpirma-pirma kayo. Ngayon, nakita nyo na. Nakita na ninyo kung ano ang ginawa ni BBM. Eto kabibig ha. Manood tayo sa video kung saan nilampaso ni Pangulong Duterte. Consummated crime ang ginawa nila. Nako, ito kabibig ha. Panoorin natin ito. Nasaan ba ito? Ito.
Kung nasa batas na yan, lumabas na yan ng blanco ko, either it could be filled up before or after sa Congress, pagka ganon, what must be submitted is the true and correct figure coming out as prepared by the budget submitted to Congress for appropriation. Pagkaputol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget. It's not only inaccurate, but a budget is in totality invalid.
Nako, invalid.
Hindi ka pwede mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao. Ano ka man? It's people's money. Maglagay ka ng mga mga provisions, but without the true and correct items or money that would be appropriated by Congress, by the people owning the money.
Nako.
So everything must be explained clear, patent, without doubt. I would like to remind Congress, mali ho yan.
Nako, Congress.
It's invalid. Please correct. Or record the budget and demanded explanation kung bakit dumating sa inyo yan na ganun kablangko. Para ka binigyan ka ng blanco check dyan. O sige, bahala na kung anong ilagay ninyo.
Focus. Diba mga kabibig? O ito pa yung isang video mga kabibig na ating papanoorin. Itong posible na makulong itong mga kongresista at senador na pumirma sa invalid nga budget. Nako, ano kayang isasagot nila ngayon? Tila natataranta na sila. Akala kasi nila is walang titingin sa budget, walang
nakikita tayong blanco.
Na.
So pag ito yung nakikita ko na pages na kulang, page SP12,
grabe.
page SP13, page SP15, page SP17, page SP20, page SP21, page SP22, page
Maraming blanco.
SP36, page SP37, page SP162, page SP168,
Grabe.
page SP183.
Ang daming pages
Mostly
blanco.
from the Department of Agriculture and on-and program appropriations.
Oh.
So let's go directly to the page SP11 to SP12. Pwede naman siguro i-flash ito sa ating screen, no? Nahalata ko sila si Mayor, daming Mr. President, na maraming, at saka Harvey, maraming blanco.
Blanco.
And these are not, I would say, ordinary figures because these figures will reach to billions of pesos. So tingnan natin sa page SP11 to SP12. Line 49. After the acronym NIA, delete the amount in figures, 74 billion, 570 million, 743,000, and replace with blank.
Blanco talaga.
Line number 52. After the acronym PCA, delete the amount in 065,000 and replace with blank.
With blank. Tama.
After the word total, delete the amount in figures 104 billion, 820 million, 715,000 and replace with
Nako.
blank. At saka sa number 7, you will see the amount. Dito sa Bicameral Conference Committee report ito. NIA is blank, PCA is blank, total is blank.
Total blank.
So maraming pages ito na ganito. Kung isa-isahin natin, I think 13 pages pa yung kita ko na blanco at saka pag-inains and program applications. At saka may nakita din akong observation. Sa page SP11 of the BICAM report, it says that the Agricultural and Fisheries Modernization Program of 146 billion 335 million 937,000. Klaro yun sa BICAM report. However,
Wala, grabe naman sila, oy. Hindi sila nahiya na puro blanco ang nakikita. Paano yan, mga kabibig? Blinangko nila. Hala. Ano kayo masasabi nito ni BBM? Naku, grabe. Nakakahiya, mga kabibig. Ganito hala ka, trabaho. Uy, hiya naman to, mga kabibig. Parang ginago tayo, mga kabibig. Sana, no? Sana anong tawag dito ba? Masagot ito ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kung ano ba talaga ito. No, ito para klaro talaga, kabibig, ha. Tingnan natin, mga kabibig, grabe yung kakalungkot. Tingnan niya. Ganito kaya ginago nila. Ito na.
page SP12, page SP13, page SP15, page SP17,
Grabe.
page SP20, page SP21, page SP22, page SP36, page SP37, page SP162.
Tingnan nyo, blanco talaga. Oh? And replace with blank. Subsidy of the Philippine Coconut Authority, the amount of blank. Pwede ba yan? Final budget? Blanco?
page SP 168, page SP 183. Mostly from the Department of Agriculture and on program appropriations. So let's go directly to the page SP 11 to SP 12. Pwede naman siguro i-flash ito sa ating screen, no? Naharap ko sa kasi Mayor, daming, Mr. President, na maraming, at saka Harvey, maraming blanco.
Oh.
And these are not, I would say, ordinary figures because these figures will reach to billions of pesos.
Billion.
So, tingnan natin sa page SP 11 to SP 12.
Ayan, oh.
Line 49. After the acronym NIA, delete the amount in figures 74 billion 743,000 and replace with blank. Kita naman sa screen. Line number 52. After the acronym PCA, delete the amount in figures 889 million 065,000 and replace with blank. After the word total, delete the amount in figures 104 billion 820 million 715,000 and replace with blank. At saka sa number 7, you will see the amount. Dito sa Bicameral Conference Committee report ito. NIA is blank, PCA is blank, total is blank. So maraming pages ito na ganito. Kung isa-isahin natin, I think 13 pages pa yung nakita ko na blanco at saka pati na yun sa program appropriations. At saka may nakita rin akong observation. Sa page SP 11 of the BICAM report, it says that the Agricultural and Fisheries Modernization Program of 146 billion 335 million 937,000. Klaro yun sa BICAM report. However, pagdating sa GAA, General Appropriations Act, ang lumabas na figure is only 126 billion 728 million 221,000. Ang ibig sabihin, merong discrepancy. So, paano nagka-discrepancy? So, with all these findings, makikita natin na defective yung BICAM report. At bakit pinirmahan ng members? So, the House and the Senate ratified defective BICAM report. In other words, apektado yung ating GAA because BICAM report was defective. What was ratified by both houses are defective. Ang dami ko lang, blanco. That can be shown in the BICAM report at firmado. So, yun ang aking nakikita na findings.
Thank you, Congressman Sig. Just before we get the input, the insights of President Duterte, just to refresh the timeline, this bicameral report was signed and ratified last December 11.
Yes, December 11, ang final meeting nila ng Bicameral Conference Committee report at pinirmahan ng members. And on the same day, December 11, the 222 pages Bicameral Conference Committee report was ratified by the Senate and the House. So both houses ratified it, and the enrolled bill was signed by the President December 30, 2024.
Correct me if I'm wrong, especially for those Filipinos na to put this lang maintindihan nila, simply sir, kumbaga, there's this document, this BICAM report, blanco pa na items.
Makikita ito, nandito sa ito yung copy ng total copy ng Bicameral Conference Committee report. Nandito yung 222 pages. May mga vacant pages.
Oh.
I really don't know kung paano lumabas na may figure na pagdating sa GAA.
Okay. Thank you po. Mr. President, sir, what's your comment on this particular issue? Sir?
Well, it falls short sa exacting standard ng ating batas na lalo na money appropriations must appear the true and correct value kung anong gusto mong what would be the application for the money for public money. Pagka ganon, there's something terribly wrong.
Correct.
And as a matter of fact, I would say, kung may mga blanco yan lumusot, that is not a valid legislation.
Correct.
Kung nasa batas na yan, lumabas na yan ng blanco-blanco, either it could be filled up before or after sa Congress, pagka ganon, the true and correct figure coming out as prepared by the budget submitted to Congress for appropriation. Pagkaputol-putol yan o may kulang, that is not a valid budget for implementation as law. It's not only inaccurate, but I think the budget is invalid.
Invalid.
Hindi na pwede mag-blanco-blanco dyan sa pera ng tao. Ano ka man? It's people dyan mga provisions, but with items or money that would be appropriated by Congress, by the people owning the money. So everything must be explained clear, patent, without doubt na itong pera na ito para ito sa ganito.
Tama.
Itong para na ito para sa eskwelahan, ito para sa agriculture. But you do not leave any item there vacant. Itong pera na ito blanco to be filled up later on. That is not allowed by law.
Oh.
And that budget is already I would like to remind Congress.
Congress, oh.
Mali ho yan.
Nako,
It's
Congress.
invalid. Please correct it. Or recall the budget demanded explanation kung bakit kablangko. We are not, para ka nagbibigay dyan, o sige, bahala na kung ano ilagay ninyo.
Tama, hokus-pokus.
In the same manner, yung mga blanco-blanco dyan, whatever or whoever corresponds to that particular item is free to just fill up the amount.
Correct.
That is not by all commandments of the law, that cannot be valid, invalid,
Invalid and
unenforceable.
unidentified budget.
Na it must be corrected and the money returned if already spent or corrected. And kung sino man ang ano niyan, they have to give us the explanation.
Correct. Explanation.
Otherwise, sabihin ko sa mga Pilipino, huwag na kayo magbayad ng ganun lang naman, pinagsasaya nito mga kumang na to. Puro check-in na blanco, they have to pass it as a law. Amount which they want to place. Hindi natin kung ano ang reserva nila, kung anong gusto nang ilagay, sobra doon sa
Nako
pera
po,
natin.
mga kapatid.
It could be that the money is in the hands of the government now or future appropriations or reserva ba ito. If it is that clear anything, then and not correct.
Thanks, sir. I'd like to get also your
Invalid, mga kabibig. So yun ha, yun ang sinabi ni Pangulong Duterte, bibig. Ako, delikado. Pumirma. Delikado si BBM eh. Binigyan nga siya ng mga ilang araw para mag-review sa 2025 budget. Pero anong ginawa? May mga blanco. Paano na yan? So yun lang po mga kabibig ang ating latest lebak-lebak for the day. Ano ang inyong komento tungkol dito? Don't forget to like, subscribe. Gusto niyo pa magbudol-budol tayo, kayo na lang. Ito naman baka ang INC magrarally na naman dahil dito sa budol-budol nga 2025 budget. Naku po, baka sugod na sa Malacanang at papaalisin na si Budol. Nako, yun lang po mga kabibig ang ating Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone!